Hello, my name is Aubriana Gabidis, and I am doing my final assignment on GMOs. So if you don't know what GMO is, it's a genetically modified organism. So it's pretty much created through a process called genetic engineering. Engineers will find a desired trait of a plant or an animal and copy that gene and try to replicate it into another DNA of another organism. So you see that happening a lot with corn, bananas, soy, a lot of those different kind of foods that you eat every day. So you could be eating something that's been genetically modified. We also have a system called GE, which is genetic engineered seeds. And a new development with that I recently learned is that 82% of the seeds that are planted in the United States are genetically modified. More so they're genetically modified to prevent diseases and pesticides, but it does have, they're not all natural, which is kind of a lot of what we eat. But the newest technology, which is actually kind of interesting, is called CRISPR, or Cas9. The articles that I have read are all from 2019 to 2020, so pretty recent. What it does is it's a gene editing system that allows improvement of a crop plant, which without leaving any foreign DNA behind. This has been used in species, crop species as rice, wheat, and tomatoes. One interesting thing that I saw that I'm going to read right from this, because I thought it was really interesting, is there is a TFL1 gene in apples that control the flowering time of plants. So how long it takes to become a full mature apple that we eat from the stores. So to eliminate how long it takes, they took that TFL1 gene and modified it using the CRISPR system. This allowed, they did it in cultured tissue jars, and they were able to get it done the way they wanted to. One of the drawbacks that they said was they are still transgenic, essentially the same as GMOs. So they were trying to get away from doing GMOs and do this gene editing instead with CRISPR, but they're saying essentially it's going to be the same thing. The USDA still doesn't have any regulations on this system, even though it is being used already in some of our foods. But I do see potential regulation being done in the future. But yeah, so two new things, CRISPR and how many seeds were implemented using genetic engineering. Yeah. Right, well, thank you for listening, and hopefully this is what you're looking for.